Hello everyone, my name is Adam Weisman and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on magic mirrors, more specifically how to set up your mirror to be signified as a ritual item. For this I have whatever kind of crystal you want. I have an amethyst, and then of course you want a mirror. Nothing too big that you can just prop up on your altar or place on it whenever you need it. A dry, clean, reusable cloth. It's important to use reusable so you're not polluting the planet. And then you want some moon water. Also, if you don't have any moon water or you don't know how to make this, I'm going to make a video on this shortly. But you can also use essential oils. And then you can also just use sink water too if you really want to. First thing you're going to do is take your moon water, take a cloth, pour some on it, and then you're going to want to physically wipe down the mirror. Front and back. And it has been cleansed by the moon and by the element of water. Next, we're going to place the crystal on it. Make sure that your crystal is charged. Light your sage. There we go. See, I have it lit. Now we're going to take the mirror and pass it through the smoke. And this is going to cleanse all energies and memories that reside within the mirror. And that is it for the cleansing process. Now that our mirror is cleansed, we want to take it outside. You want to place it outside for a full day and a full night. And the reason why you want to put it outside for a full day and a full night is now that you have cleansed it with all of the elements. Now you want to charge it with the power of the sun being the god and the moon being the goddess. Hopefully that this has been informative for you guys, and best of luck. You know, and you don't have to, per se, buy your mirror from Walmart or anything like that. Go to Goodwill or a thrift store or anything like that and find something cheap. It does not have to be fancy, it just needs to work. Blessed be, and have a good day.